call it thick when like it be running for a cause. He put it in his face, I call this nigga World of Oz. Call me sweet chaos for all the problems I done caused. I can take it again.
Now hold up, it is your girl's more freaking glow diesel day. And I didn't even turn on the camera. I mean, I turned on the camera, but it wasn't for you guys. It was for like, girl was feeling herself. I'm feeling myself. And I'm probably gonna feel myself some more because I'm gonna be making some more videos. And I have a special announcement to make, because you guys, your girl's been putting in that work, working hard, you know? And something is coming, okay? Something really big is coming. I'm excited. I'm excited to show you guys. So, yeah, but it's your girl's birthday, so right now kind of what I'm doing is just giving myself like a little mini at-home makeover, because I got like the essential things that I needed done yesterday. So I'm pretty much just gonna do like the low maintenance stuff that I need to take care of here, make a couple videos for what I'm gonna be announcing to you guys later today, and yeah, just kind of prepare for tonight and taking pictures, and yeah, we'll see where the wind blows. Drink some more water. Y'all, really quick, this has something to do with this announcement, bro. Y'all, look at that. Girl, wash your face and everything. Lashes still on, okay? Lashes still looking bomb. So, y'all better get with it and go home. They doing well. You can get them bitches wet. Okay? Wet.
I'm bugging. Smelty.
Cake. He got me cake. And he wants to take some drinks.
Okay.
Can you open this for me, please?
Yeah, I got you. It's a little bougie glasses. You want the tall ones?
Yeah, the black one.
Yo, check these out, yo. I didn't even know that they was making the baby bottle. You know what I'm saying? That's a personal little pre-game bottle for you.
I didn't even take a picture.
Oh, here you go. I got you. Straight little. Well, that's Luna. I was feeling something on my back and my leg. Luna's a little Luna.
Damn, baby.
Look at Luna.
You trying to get in on the celebration? He said, niggas, oh.
Got a new toy. I'm tight. That's really what we got going on. We sit down. I don't even know if it's bubbly anymore. Is it even bubbly? Oh, you got pop yours, baby. Got cute ice on deck. There's not a lot of motherfuckers know about cute ice.
Oh, now we definitely.
What?
Hold on.
Oh, yours bubbled up?
Yeah.
Mine didn't even bubble up. I got the off-brand.
Stop. Yeah. Y'all hear this foolishness? He said I got the off-brand.
Yo, Rick Ross, I got a beef with you.
You good.
I'm about to beef with you. I'm about to call Gilly because you over here sending me off-brand Belize.
Okay.
The ones without the bubbles. This one ain't had the bubbles. Hers had the bubbles.
My cover also is stuck on the inside. Mine was also. Mine was stuck on the inside. His came separately off of each other. Today is gonna be a different day. It's gonna be a positive day. I gotta show my best friend. Oh my God, what the fuck? Hey, and won't you be my love? I hold you down when it gets tough. I know you're only used to us. To break you down, I build you up. Won't you be my love? I hold you down when it gets tough. I know you're only used to us. To break you down, I build you up.
It's my baby birthday, baby.
We on our first official day. Yeah. This is our first official day. We were supposed to have many, but life kept getting in our fucking way and trying not to let it happen. But you know what? We said, fuck all that noise.
We doing too many shows and too many foes and too many oppositions and trying to prove our position. We couldn't even go on a date. Like, that's so bad. Like, niggas been trying to, like, it's not even like we didn't want to go. Like, we've been trying to go, but everybody just been, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so we here though.
Now it's just the two of us. We can drink water now. The two of us.
He over there concentrating really hard, y'all. I see his face. Look at him concentrating. But I gotta start relying Ricky. I gotta make him try it. Won't you be mine? So baby, what now? What to do? You know I'm really, really infatuated with you. Trying to think of different ways to get you in my room. Dropping in that blue, 'cause you know what to do. We should take a couple trips to show you what I'm into. Want you to put it down, but it's not an issue. Really fuck with your vibe, baby, grab a tissue. We could get a little messy, have fun, baby. Maybe if I fuck with you, drive you crazy, crazy. So won't you be mine? Won't you be my love? I hold you down when it gets tough. I know you're only used to us. They break you down, I build you up. Won't you be my love? I hold you down. I eat my steaks medium, so don't yuck my babe like says medium well done. But y'all see how juicy my shit is compared to his?
Wherever. You know where we parked at?
No, but I'm gonna just keep walking.
Oh shit. If that's the case.
Unless we turn on this street. I don't think so though.
I don't even, you know it's crazy? I literally was just following you.
We definitely went straight, but we can also turn on this street. It's the end of the night, you guys. Gonna take some pictures. We'll see how this goes. We're gonna try and find some UFOs. So, yeah, look, you guys.
Happy birthday to you, twerk. Happy birthday to you, twerk. Happy birthday to twerk, 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 twerk. Happy birthday to you, my baby girl. Yo, you already know how we come. 25. It's a quarter cent.
Should I blow out the candle now?
Nah, we out here. We're finna turn up the whole, you know what I mean? The week. We a
Oh,
little.
y'all think I look... I know y'all probably think I look crazy. Hold up. I got his bonnet on. Let me show a little something.
Let's see. You gotta hit him with the 4K, and you gotta hit him with the, you know what I mean, old school 4K. They don't know about that. They don't know about that. That's a new style of recording. How you feeling?
Like I'm ready to eat this cake.
All right, come on. You gonna blow it out, or you?
Yeah,
gonna,
I asked if I could blow out the candle already. I was like, can I blow out the candles? He didn't say nothing, y'all. I know y'all heard that. He didn't say nothing. So...
Did you make a little, you know what I mean?
I did.
Okay, cool.
Well,
Let's do it. We're gonna slice it up. You gotta make the first slice, though.
here we are. All together. You do. And in chili lime sauce, too.
Yo, for real?
Yeah, the chili lime sauce is actually really good, y'all. We went to 730 Tavern last night. Okay. So... Well, till next year, ladies and gents. What is that sound?
Motorcycle, maybe?
Is it?
I don't know. Lawnmower, motorcycle, something. A big girl.
I'm a big girl. You're dating a big girl.
I'm a big girl, baby. I'm a big girl. I like big girls. She's not a big girl. You know what I'm saying? Shout out all the big girls. Shout out all the BBWs.
Shout out to the pretty girls. Shout out to them pretty girls.
Shout out all the 500-pound plus.
Shout out to them pretty girls. Shout out to them
saying?
pretty girls. I don't got no nails on, but I kind of like the no nail look. It's okay.
Oh, you got
Anyways, you guys, for today's video,
I'm nigga phobic.
so you guys, what we are going to talk about, this is kind of just a continuation of the birthday festivities, but this is like a smoke session, you feel me? So we're just going to talk about random shit. I don't really have anything in particular to talk about, but we do and we don't. The overall general theme that we're feeling is just kind of like, man, the fuck is in the air? I
pooed it, so the funk is in the air. That's the first thing that's in the air.
You're nasty.
Nah, but for what is in that? Because people acting like people. You know what I'm saying? They ain't even acting funny. People acting like people. I ain't gonna say that about you. Ain't acting funny. You just acting like a human.
I don't know. Life's been lifing really hard lately. But it's okay. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything will work itself out. In the meantime, we are at Dave & Buster's because we're gonna go play some games. Ooh, and we should take a shot. We should pull up questions. Oh no, hold on. I had a whole tablet with me. I could pull up questions.
What's questions? This game?
Yeah, I'm just gonna find questions to add for us to answer. And then take a shot. Okay?
So they gonna ask us the questions? We're gonna do this like Dora the Explorer?
We're gonna pretend y'all ask us the questions, okay?
That's what Dora do too.
Yep. So we'll
Dora's a
pretend.
dickhead for that. You know that? You be sitting there yelling at the
It's my
screen.
birthday.
It's right there!
It's my birthday.
727. 2. 03. If you minus the 0.1 that it took to go right here, it's gonna get from here to do it. It's 22622.
Okay.
What you want from me? What you want from? What you want from me? What you want from?
We better go play some games and y'all finna watch us. So let's go on inside. This was a good little session. You ready to get it going?
Let's get it.
Let's go. When you damn play me hoe. Ooh. All you do is talk for real, you know. All you do is talk for real, you know shark. All you do is talk for real, you not hard. I know you're not. Y'all see that? See, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Why? Why? And you throwing freaking little fishes at me? You know what? I don't throw Swedish fish at you. Them hard-ass Swedish fish. That ain't even candy at that point. Yo, Swedish fish is nasty as hell. He be eating that. He eat rocks.
Those are the Swedish fish.
He don't kick rocks. He
Those
eat
are
rocks.
Swedish fish and friends. Those are different.
Swedish fish and their friends. And friends. They were no, and friends. They were turtles.
No S.
No, and friends.
It's not Pearl. One friend.
Good, how are you? Yes, please. Tell me why.
I thought you was gonna tell me why, man. You didn't tell me why.
She said, well, I know why you're here. Okay.
I mean, this is a restaurant. I know people come to eat.
Okay.
So that's all I know.
I gotta turn this off because I'm gonna copyrighted to the max. So we'll see y'all when the food and shit gets here.
Nah, oh yeah, because of the music?
Yeah.
Hey, tell him I did not. Yo, this is not my song in the background. I do not own the rights to this music. That's what you gotta say. I do not own the rights to this music. Alright? Once you say that, you good. I do not own the rights to this music.
Okay, so yeah, y'all heard it here. We do not own the rights. But yeah. In the meantime, he's letting me get a fucking margarita, so I'm about to get a margarita. I guess he's letting me get one soon. I'm gonna take a look at that. Surprise, you guys! So here is the official release launch of Sweet Kiss Lashes. They launched on 07/22, my birthday. So this was the surprise that I was referring to earlier, and I'm wicked excited because we got mad different styles. So tune in. What's poppin', y'all? So we are back with another day. It's kind of like a chill, laid back day, just kind of doing some things for SKL really quick. Let me just show y'all. I had to print out some of my labels, and this is what we're looking like. Okay, so these are the labels. I had just finished printing them. Had to take all the little thingies out. I'll put them all in that box or not. But yeah. But some of the lashes we got going on, you guys. Some different styles. Hold on, let me turn the flash on.